fourth step is dump the pasta on top of this mess and sprinkle some more sugar on top of it. Hello everyone, I'm Anushka and this is Shania. Welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, what are we doing, Shania?
So we're gonna try Robert Pattinson's
The Twilight guy.
it's Piccolini Cuscino pasta.
It's basically a kind of pasta which is supposed to have a pillowy base to it. So that's what we're going to try to make.
And it's made in the micro. And I'll tell you the ingredients before we do it, so you guys will know what we're
And also on Twitter, so he tweeted the entire recipe, and I think it's a joke. I think it's completely a joke, and like it's not possible that it's a true recipe. Shall I tell you the ingredients? But before that, we have a surprise vlog coming up for you next month. If you can guess what it is, comment down below and subscribe to our channel.
to see what it is. So let's read out his ingredients exactly the way he's written them. 1 giant filthy dust-covered box of cornflakes.
That's our filthy dust-covered box of cornflakes.
1 incredibly large novelty lighter. 9 packs of pre-sliced cheese. Sauce, just any sauce, the actor said. He's an actor. An actor. Sugar, penne, burger buns, aluminum foil, and
Which
water.
we don't use. We're not using any foil today.
Aluminum foil in the microwave.
So now, as aspiring chefs, we're going to try this recipe with you guys today. And if you guys want to see a remake to this video where we actually improve the pasta and make it something really nice, like the video. So we've just taken some pasta. Now we have to boil this in the microwave for around 8 minutes. So I don't know what's wrong. Maybe we messed this up also. So there's all the water came out. What? The second step is then create a hollowed out bowl out of aluminum foil. So now that's not happening. We aren't doing any foil business here.
Not even in the microwave.
It's anyone watching this video, please do not use foil. It will light up your entire house. There will be a fire. We don't want no fire. I don't know what Robert Pattinson is thinking, but there ain't no foil in the microwave. Alright, so you have to create a hollowed out bowl out of aluminum foil. Place a layer of crushed up cornflakes in the foil, and then add alternating layers of sugar and sliced cheese. And then you really need to congeal everything in an enormous amount of sugar and cheese. Okay. now we do step 3. Step 3 says, then add sauce, which is red. Alright, so we're gonna take some. Step is dump the pasta on top of this mess and sprinkle some more sugar on top of it. So that's we've taken the bun, we've hollowed it out. Now it says then place it on top of everything. So we've done that. Your little pillow is now complete. Now the 6th step, okay, so our little pillow is now complete. The 6th step says, for garnish, carve the letters C and P into the top of the bun. Guess what? I'm not doing that. Okay, so we're not doing that either. Wrap the whole thing up with more foil. Again. We're doing that. And then place it in the microwave for an unspecified amount of time.
How long should we do it?
Okay, so we're going to do 3 minutes, 2 minutes for the cheese to melt.
Let's do 2.
Okay, so let's do it 2 minutes and let's see what actually comes out of this recipe. I think it's a joke.
It doesn't look that bad.
It doesn't look that bad, but I honestly. So it's done. Okay, so the spreading out part is kind of our fault because he did tell us to compact it in foil, but we didn't want the house on fire. So, other than that, it doesn't look bad at all. It looks like a lasagna-ish.
It looks pretty good.
Yeah. So we taste it now. It looks okay, I'm gonna be honest. You have to get a bite of the bread, the pasta, the cheese, the sauce.
The sugar.
Sugar is everywhere. Sugar, you will definitely get it. That's inevitable for sugar. Are actual cornflakes. It's like the mac and cheese crust that you have. That's what the cornflakes tastes like, and that's what it feels like. I like that. The sugar is too much. Maybe I put too. Actually, no, I didn't put too much. It's in the recipe. It's too sweet. It's too cheesy. It's processed cheese, so it's like eating plastic, and it's stuck in my teeth. And if this recipe was a joke, if it was a troll, I think it was amazing. I think it was a great joke. He got us. You know, clearly he got us and stuff.
And I think everyone's trying it, honestly.
Yeah, so if it's a troll, if it's a joke, he really got us. But if it's really a recipe, I think it's too high. Because we're really making good pasta. We're making good things to eat. Like this is if he eats this, I'm sorry. Like, I'm sorry. So this is our way. It's too sweet. It's so this was us trying. Saw our taste test to try first. I would give it 2 on 10.
It was just sugar. Sugar! Pasta is not sweet.
And I think feeling from the first step. The water overflowed in the microwave. I never knew that was possible, but well, that happened. Then we can't use the foil, so it all just like spread apart. And it was just like, I would never do it again, obviously. I've never eaten it, obviously. I think so.
I love Twilight. I love all of them.
We should stick to it. And leave